I'm Russ Scott. I own Duratrack. It's a manufacturing company in Elk Grove Village, Illinois, probably about 15 minutes west of O'Hare. We fabricate track and trolley systems mainly for overhead rolling applications. Different industrial market niches would be sliding doors and truck bodies, industrial curtain applications, overhead festooning systems for cranes. We also do contract manufacturing work. Products are always mostly low carbon steel, sheet and coil, some bar stock. We do maybe a third of our product is stainless steel or aluminum. We started working with Big Joe probably 7 years ago. We had manual pallet jacks to move our skids around or pallets around. Some of the pallets can weigh up to 4,000 pounds, and we had operators that either got strains pushing them or had a hard time and they had to get somebody to help them. So we tried a Big Joe powered pallet jack, and it's just so easy. Basically, you push a button and you walk backwards, forwards, any direction you have to go. The people were thrilled. We started off buying one and we've ended up buying 4. We initially looked at different companies. A few were very expensive and we didn't really see any additional value or benefit to those machines. Big Joe is when we started looking initially, they were always very competitively priced, and the machines were well designed, and they're sturdy. We went on a few plant tours to see other companies use their products, and the operators were always very happy with the Big Joe products, so it seemed like a safe bet. The driving need for getting a PDSR system was to extend the range of people in the shop who could access their skids on their own. It's an easy machine to learn. People feel safe using it. It's also very quick and easy to use in our narrow aisles because of the reach feature. It just makes it easier to get product throughout the shop. The reach feature helps because the aisles are tight, so it makes it easy to have the forks extend out when you approach the racks. Our racks are 16 feet high, and so we got the 189 inch, which I think is a little bit taller than normal. The nice thing is it's still stable when the forks are at the full extension. And also, we store product on the floor, so you don't have to straddle around the skids as much, and you just have the forks extend, go into the racks, and get the skids out. We have 2 stand-up reach forklifts. The problem with that is that it's a little bit more difficult for operators to learn to use and feel safe with. They're more expensive, and I don't really see much of an upside. We don't have incredibly long aisles, so the benefit of maybe moving a little faster across acres and acres of product or property doesn't really matter to us. The PDSR makes us more efficient because most of the people in the shop feel comfortable using it, and you don't have to wait and get somebody else to use it for you and you have to stand around and watch them. You just walk up to it and go to the area in the shop you need to get the product, and it's quick and easy. We've had them for about 5 years. We bought one. Everybody was thrilled with it, so we bought a second one about a half year later. We also have 2 Joeys, very tight turn radiuses on those machines, so it's easy to maneuver. It saves an awful lot of time for the operator or shipping personnel to go up to the rack where they need the product, to rise up to 16 feet and grab the small number of parts they need, come back down and go to shipping and pack it and ship it. It makes my employees in the operating environment safer to work in. It provides efficiencies for us because more people can use the equipment. It also makes it, I think, safer to maneuver because the equipment is well designed and is compact, not larger than needed. I appreciate all the value that Big Joe's provided to Duratrack. In all honesty, I intend all future purchases to be Big Joe products.